Hello and welcome back to Vicky's Crafts. I have a small share of a project. We met up with the crafty girls today and we did a journal and a half. Then I did get a package from Amazon, that sticker book that I wanted to show you. So let me show you that first. And so the book and the pages were separate. You have to buy it separate. But it did came with this, the book came with this elastic, which I put it on like this. And then to close it, you just close it like that. It has a white one and a black one. I used the white one. I don't know what happened to the black one. It's somewhere in here. And so the pages are like this, and they are very thin, but it's like that shiny, smooth paper that you put your stickers in here. And so you put them in here, and you could fill it up as much. I think it comes with 25. Nope, it comes with 50. It came with 50 pages. And you could buy refills. You could keep filling it up because it's pretty thick book. And look, with 50 it's only that little bit. See? You could fill it up probably with 200 sheets. You could fill this book up. And this will last you forever because it's that hard plastic and it's nicely made. I like it. So that was from Amazon. So today in the meetup with the girls, Jackie, I forgot her name, Irela, Lilliana, and Lily, Awilda, Mary, who else am I missing? Jackie. We all went to the class today and we did this journal thanks to Lilliana. And we did the thermals, We Are Memory thermal cinch. And Jackie provided us with the little bookmark and the spine where the glue goes, where you put it into the machine. And Liliana told us how to make it. So this is how this journal, it was 24 pages in all with the covers. It's 24. So I still have to decorate the inside, and I did some with different scallops. I don't know if you can see it. I used my new Creative Creations cutter. And so this is how this looks. And you can make it the regular sheets of copy paper, the smooth one. And so we did this one with the cardboard. So this one is the scallop one. So some are straight, some are not. This one I put another little envelope in there. I still have to decorate the inside. This is another decorative side there. And this one right here, and this is where the little bookmark is. And then this one. So I did like 2, and then I did a nice border. So 2 straight and then a border. And then 2 straight and then another border. 2 straight and then the scallop. And then that was it. And then the last one, and then 1, and then this one. And then 2 straight, and then the cover. It's kind of hard to open, but you could manipulate it to open without breaking the sheets, because that's the thing. The glue is there, but you have to be careful not to break it out of the glue. So now it's when I'm doing it. It took a couple of hours so that it could dry completely before I did this, so that it won't break on me. So, and let me show you. So that's how that looks. And then you just fill it up. You could do it, you could put pictures in here. You could do an everyday gratitude in here. Or you could even put all the places that you go eat or to shows and put the tickets in here and a little picture, something like that. But this one is the smaller one. I did not have a little bookmark, but that's the little one. I did have to cut this. So this one is 6 by 9. 6 by 9. And this one is 5 by, I didn't measure, whatever was the leftover from the 12, so 9, 10, 11, 12 by 3 it should be. Yep, by 3. And so the leftover, I said, oh, let me make a little book. And so I decorated it also, and I did put the scallops in there. And you could open it up. See? That one. That one. So I think it came out so cute. Both of the journals. I could have used it like this, but since I had that going down, the numbers going down, the hearts, where are the hearts? So the hearts going down, so I couldn't use it like this. So it was okay. Next time I will put white paper into it. Jackie did one that she put watercolor in between the cardstock, which came out beautiful. And also Lily's came out nice. And I had to leave because I had to go somewhere. So I didn't see how the others turned out. And Mary's also turned out good. So that's how it'll be. So that is my class for today with the girls, the crafting girls. And I think I like the cinch, but I prefer better the bookbinder from We Are Memory Keepers with the little holes. Because that one you can open it better without, because I noticed that over here, if I open it, it starts cracking the paper, and that's something I don't want to do. So, and it doesn't lay flat, and I'm that kind of person that likes things to lay flat. So, yep. So that is it for my project share and my one item from Amazon. So let me know if you need the link to this, and I'll write it in the description box below. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.